The present Cross Keys Swing Bridge was constructed between 1894 and 1897 to replace the earlier bridge. It was engineered by J. Allen MacDonald for the Midland and Great Northern Joint Railway, built by A. Handyside and Company Limited with a total cost around £80,000. The bridge opened on 18th of July 1897. Armstrong Whitworth supplied the original hydraulic machinery that powers the swing mechanism. It combined road and railway use. One side carried the railway, the other the road. From its opening in 1897 until 1965, the bridge served both rail and road traffic, an important link between Lincolnshire and Norfolk. After the railway line closed, the rail tracks were removed and the carriageway was adapted wholly for two-way road traffic on what is now the busy A17. The bridge is a hydraulic swing bridge, pivoting horizontally on a central support to let boats pass along the River Nene. Its swing span is supported by 3 bowstring braced girders and rotates to open a clear channel. The original hydraulic system, once steam-powered, was converted over time and preserved as part of the structure's historical character. Even today, the bridge opens several times a week for maritime traffic heading to from the Port of Wisbech, balancing its role as a working transport link with heritage operation. In 1980, Cross Keys Bridge, including the former hydraulic engine house, was designated a Grade 2 listed structure for its engineering significance and historical interest. The designation highlights its rarity as a late Victorian swing bridge originally designed for combined rail and road use. The bridge has been renovated over the decades, notably in the 1980s, to extend its service life while preserving historic features. The road is closed to traffic about 10 minutes before the ship is due at the bridge. This would allow for the ship to slow and stop if the bridge malfunctioned.